Is your T-Mobile REVVL V stuck on the boot screen, showing the REVVL logo repeatedly? This is a common issue, often caused by software glitches, corrupted files, or incomplete updates. Since the REVVL V is an older device, ensure your battery is adequately charged before proceeding. The first step is to enter recovery mode. Power off your phone completely. Then press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select options in the recovery menu. This menu allows you to perform several troubleshooting steps. Once in recovery mode, the first thing you should try is Wipe Cache Partition. This clears temporary system files and often resolves boot loops without affecting your personal data. Select Wipe Cache Partition and confirm. If this doesn't work, your last resort is a factory reset. Warning: a factory reset will erase all data on your phone, so ensure you have a backup if possible. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm. After either of these processes, select Reboot System Now. If the problem persists after a factory reset, it could indicate a more serious hardware issue, such as failing storage, which may require professional repair. Because the REVVL V is no longer supported with updates, consider this may be a sign of hardware failure. If repairs are not possible, consider recycling the device.